Hey, my lovely queen. Welcome and welcome back. So today we're starting off with my eyebrows already concealed. I'm not gonna do anything on the top part. I'm just going to blend this base. You remember we need to blend the base. So I'm just using concealer as my base. Today we're gonna get a little bit more creative. So save this tutorial somewhere. So I'm using setting powder and I just want to set this place right now. So today we're using setting powder. I hope you guys have been upgrading your makeup kits as we go along, because yeah, we need to be upgrading our makeup kit. As you can tell, there's a lot to makeup that meets the eye, and sometimes we need different things. Okay, girls. Yes. So I've already blended out the concealer. I've set my eyes, and now we're gonna go to the next creative look. This is gonna be different, but I think you guys will manage. So let's start with the outline. So this is a cream gel eyeliner, a black cream gel eyeliner, and I'm just gonna dip it into my brush like so, and then we're gonna do a okay, it's kind of like an S. So yeah, and you're gonna do it from a place where you're just naturally using your eye shape, because you can tell my eyes are quite wide. The people don't have wide eyes, so if you have like eyes that are hooded, go a little bit higher, but it's basically in this region. As you can tell, if I'm doing this until the front part, there's that region, so that's what we're sketching out. Something like that. Okay, don't mind if it's not so neat, because we're gonna blend it out with eyeshadow, but basically that is the vibe. I'm now going in with a brown shade. Sorry, the palette is broken kinda, but it's a nice light brown. I think you guys will see from the pigment, and I'm just blending that on top of what I have. Okay, guys, I'm blending that just on top of the whole look. Okay, this is an easy way to get this look, by the way. I'm just showing you tricks. Tricks and tips. Let me be precise there. So you're still just gonna outline just like so. And then now we're gonna go into our black shade, black eyeshadow. And we're also gonna do the same, but now we're gonna be more intentional about the placement of the eyeshadow. And I would recommend that you don't put the whole brush. As you can see, I have up is brown and below is black. Don't put the whole eyeshadow. Then look up like this, and then you see where you had the black. Yeah, we're doing that. We're shading the black in. Okay, shade in the black, follow that outline. Don't do too much on top, just shade it in like so. And then now with your brush, I want you to clean it on your hand like so. Just try and clean it, and then now we're really gonna blend it in now. So this is us blending. Blend those two lines so that it's like it kind of disappears. Okay, and they kind of like blend into each other. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to get a little bit messy, but that's what we want. Not to be messy, but just blend. Okay, then after this we will cut the crease. Then you can just go back and forth. Remember the brown we had? Go back to your brown, shade the top part again. Just make sure you're adding more of the color brown. Shade the upper part that you had already done before. Just keep it there, keep in the color. And then we're gonna go in with our face eyeshadow on top to blend everything out before we cut the face. So here's my face shade, and we're going to blend on the brown next to the eyebrows. Make sure you do a good job blending it out. Don't rub your eyebrows out. Start from the inner corner, take it to the outer edge, blend everything out, and then now we can go cut our crease and do everything else. So now I'm gonna cut my crease. As you can tell, I'm being very intentional about my placement. So another trick you can do, put concealer here, then just open your eyes up. You can even look up, then look down. As you can tell, it's already placed it almost exactly where I was shaping it from. And make sure your brush has enough concealer, because sometimes if you don't have enough concealer, you have to do a lot of movements to get a clean cut. And the more movements you do, the more messy it gets. Are you seeing how clean that cut crease is, guys? Not to brag, but yeah. You can tell how clean the cut crease has come out. And then what you can do, you can just tap, 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 tap everywhere that you feel like it's just is not blending properly. Just tap it in, tap it in, tap, 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 tap. Okay, so we're gonna come and put color on this side, and then I'll do this other side off camera, and then we can call it a day. So I'm using this palette to fill in the eyes, and I'm gonna start off with this kind of whitish shade, and then I might go to a brown nude and finish it off with just maybe that nude. I'll just do 2 shades because I feel like I need it to be a little bit bright as well. So we're gonna start off with this shade, and remember, tap, 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 tap. Just tap it in like so. Okay. So next I'm going in with this kind of brownish shade, and I'm gonna go for almost a goldish and then a brown shade. So we're gonna go with the gold. As you can tell, now for this gold part, you can just like swipe it where it's like the down part, swipe. Then as you're reaching the top part of your cut crease, tap. Okay. Then I'm now gonna go with the dark brown shade at the end of the eye. Yeah, so that's what we've done. I'm doing my wing liner off camera and everything else, then I'll come back and show you guys the end result of this whole look. I think you've guys seen my face several times how I do it, so don't go nowhere. And hey guys, this is the finished look. Yes, it's looking cute, it's beautiful. I hope you guys learned something. Oh god, yes, no foundation on the forehead, but who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Anyway, if you watched till this very moment, thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning, keep slaying, keep looking classy. I didn't do any highlighter, I just did contour and blush, and basically that's it. My face, I think you guys have seen it so many times, but I'll do one next time. But thank you so much. Nawapenda sana sana sana. Thanks for watching this edition, and bye. See you in my next one.